Once upon a sunny morning, there lived a brother and sister named Avi and Ani. Avi loved doing experiments, especially the messy kind. That morning, he mixed cereal, milk, and ketchup. "Behold, my super cereal explosion 3000, he shouted proudly. Ani laughed. "Avi, that's not breakfast, that's a science experiment." A second later, splat. Cereal flew everywhere, and both of them burst into giggles. A few minutes later, Ani had a twinkling idea. "What if we make a giggle potion?" she said. "A potion that makes everyone laugh." Avi's eyes sparkled. "Yes, Operation Giggle starts now." The playroom became their secret lab full of bottles, colors, and bubbles. They poured lemonade, rainbow sprinkles, and soap bubbles into a bowl. Then Avi tossed in his smelly red sock. Annie scrunched her nose. "Ew, Avi! Every great potion needs a secret ingredient," he said proudly. The bowl began to glow pink and gold. Then suddenly, boom! Pink bubbles filled the room. The cat giggled, the clock wiggled, even the goldfish blew silly bubble laughs. Avi and Ani couldn't stop laughing. Just then, Mom peeked in. "Kids, what's going on in there?" "Nothing, Mom," they said, trying not to giggle. When things calmed down, Ani wrote on a small chalkboard, "Lesson of the day, laughter is the best magic." Avi added, "And no socks next time." That evening, they sat in the garden, sipping juice under the giggly sky. And from that day on, their house was always full of laughter. Keep laughing, keep learning with Avi, Ani, and Amrit Inspire.